Are you ready?
See that girl! A high star! I got the guitar! Fight so, read it!
Well, little time and my shit up again. Remember the credit. What I say? I love my girl, I love my girl, I love my girl, I love my girl. You know I'm bringing the things like that. Father looking so good, Father is not true. Look like it's something I love people too. Everybody know I see. Sharana pregnant, you're pregnant. Family, this is second family, what do you think that? No. This is say what they say. Do what they do. I get something. Sing out when you get some people. Go down people. I cannot sing. I love this thing. Never tell her the weather. Tell her the remember, two dumb boy, body in the new life, and they don't know. I'm telling you, tell them body in the new one, and they know. Remember, sing to me, take go up, put that halaman, take it down, my God. You know, anything, if I just do the video, when we see us, let them sing the party. Do it. And remember this, I go. I'm ready to go into and that is the reason why my eyes are turning. It's going to my head. I'm being led every time I get a speak. Oh, if I got sick, begin it. Come on, say, who remember this? We tell them all along like it's farmers and put up on the wine. Spanish stone must be up, we tell them all along like it's farmers and put up on the wine. Spanish stone, we tell them what's in a barrio, what's in a barrio. I hope I never fall in a Spanish stone, what's in a barrio, what's in a barrio. Then put it down the week next tomorrow, we tell them, and you know say you walk home, but we have them on high. People in magazine, remember I wanna know. When I'm a lucky, the food so we don't want them more. I gotta step and line in the corner. What a thing, so we don't want them more. Remember, I know you will. I know you're planning, but tell it to me, silly. Every time you cross my way, I'm gonna keep a big shot. I only wanna be there with you. Believe me. Every little thing that I say is only for you, baby. I hope I'm meant to be there with you. Believe me, we'll let you down.